गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं मेरे प्यारे बच्चों। आज मैं आपको पढ़ाने वाली हूँ थर्ड चैप्टर टू स्टोरीज अबाउट फ्लाइंग का सेकेंड पार्ट। वी हैव ऑलरेडी स्टडीड द फर्स्ट पार्ट, दैट इज हिज फर्स्ट फ्लाइट। टुडे वी विल लर्न अबाउट द सेकेंड पार्ट, दैट इज ब्लैक एरोप्लेन। Black Aeroplane, that is written by Frederick Forsyth. Frederick Forsyth has given his personal experience in this story, and he is explaining that how with his courage and confidence he has overcome the bad weather and come safely to his destination. So let's start with the story, that what happened step by step. In this, Frederick Forsyth said that while he was flying the Old Dakota is the name of the aeroplane. While he was flying the Old Dakota aeroplane from France to England, at that time the weather was very good. When he had started his flight, when he had started his journey, if the weather was very favorable, there was no problem in the weather. It was very good and he was enjoying his flight. He was very happy and just dreaming about his breakfast with his family. He was just thinking as he will reach to England, he will enjoy his breakfast. When he was 150 kilometers away from Paris, all of a sudden he saw that weather was not favorable. What he see, that now stormy weather was there. The huge cloud was there. The you can see black and huge clouds were there. तभी मौसम जो है एकदम से खराब हो जाता है और काले घने बादल वहां पर उसको दिखने लगते हैं। मौसम भी कैसा हो जाता है जैसे तूफान आने वाला है। एंड ऑब्जर्विंग दिस, व्हेन ही सेंसेस अबाउट दिस, ही गेट्स स्केयर्ड, वो डर जाता है। Why he was scared? Because definitely in that condition it was going to be difficult for him to fly, okay, to fly the aeroplane. ये उसके लिए बहुत ही मुश्किल पैदा करने वाला है, क्योंकि इस मौसम में वो किस तरह से अपने एरोप्लेन को उड़ाएगा। But anyhow he was thinking कि he cannot, though it is not favorable weather, so he thought that he can stop before you can say going to England. He can take a halt, but it is also not possible. Again there was misfortune because he was not having sufficient fuel in the aeroplane. आपने देखा होगा जब हम कोई गाड़ी चला रहे हैं तो हम क्या करते हैं, मौसम खराब हो गया, हमने कहीं साइड में गाड़ी पार्क कर दी और वहाँ वेट कर लेंगे। पर जब हम एरोप्लेन उड़ा रहे हैं तो वहां पर हम कहाँ पे, हमें कहीं लैंडिंग करनी पड़ेगी और लैंडिंग के लिए भी वी हैव टू जस्ट लोकेट अ सेफ प्लेस। हियर द प्रॉब्लम, अब वो उसे क्या कर सकता था कि वो अपने प्लेन को एक ही जगह घुमाए, बट फॉर दिस फ्यूल वॉज नॉट सफिशिएंट, सो एनी हाउ ही हैज टू टेक द रिस्क एंड ही हैज टू मूव अहेड। सो दैट्स व्हाई he decided that he decided to take the risk and flew the plane into the storm. Now it was really very dark and black all around. Plane jumped and twisted. It means weather was not favorable. Plane was it was really very difficult to fly the plane, and the compass and the radio, it was also not working. He was trying to connect himself to the Paris control room, but he was not able. क्योंकि आपने देखा होगा कि हम लोग को कंपास से डायरेक्शन का पता चल जाता है कि हमें किस डायरेक्शन में अब जाना है, बट ही वॉज नॉट गेटिंग एनी इंडिकेशन फ्रॉम द पेरिस कंट्रोल रूम। ऑल द कंपास स्टॉप वर्किंग, रेडियो एंड अदर इंस्ट्रूमेंट वॉज ऑल्सो डेड। इट मीन्स द थिंग्स, द apparatus which can be proved helpful for him, it was also dead. He tried to contact Paris control room, but it was also not possible for him. He was not able to contact because the radio and other instruments were dead. He lost in the storm. He has lost his way and he was quite scared at that time. So let's move further, but before going ahead, you will have a screenshot of this, then I will continue. Just note down this. Yes, students, you have taken the screenshot? Yes, very good. So let's proceed. Now what happened when he lost in the storm? Then he saw another plane. It means in that storm he saw another plane which was having no light. It means it was a black aeroplane. It was just flying next to him. What he saw, that a black aeroplane was just flying next to him, and the pilot asked him, it means the black aeroplane's pilot was the man who was sitting in that plane. That pilot asked him to follow him. It means that pilot wanted to help him. That pilot wanted to help the narrator. Okay? And the narrator start following that plane. It means because he was also having no option. He was not able to just see further, and that black aeroplane started guiding him. He just start following that aeroplane. Approx for half an hour he continuously followed that plane, and he was quite frightened and scared also. Why? Because he was in the doubt that fuel would be sufficient for that you can say that complete the journey to England or not, because he was not having sufficient fuel. So there was pranks of doubts in his mind that his fuel will be sufficient for the way or not. But after 5 or 10 minutes, that black aeroplane start landing. That plane started going down, and finally he landed that safely on the runway. And as he come on the runway, he immediately get down from the aeroplane and start looking for that black aeroplane. He wanted to meet that pilot who has helped him in such direst condition when he has lost all the hope, because his compass was not working, radio was not working, other equipments were also not working. So at that time he was very frightened and hopeless. Then a black aeroplane came, and that pilot has helped him in reaching to his place safely. When he saw no one is there, he immediately reached to the control room where the lady was sitting there. He asked to that woman that where is that black aeroplane and its pilot. But he was informed that no other plane was flying that night. It means that lady has informed. उस लेडी ने उसे बताया कि आपके प्लेन के अलावा तो और कोई प्लेन उस रात नहीं उड़ रहा था. It means it was his illusion. It was his, you can say, imagination. कि वो उसका भ्रम था, उसकी imagination थी, वहाँ पर कोई दूसरा प्लेन नहीं था. Hearing this, he was quite surprised. उसे बहुत सरप्राइज हुआ, क्योंकि उसको ये बिल्कुल श्योर था कि उसने देखा था एक ब्लैक एरोप्लेन था, उसमें एक पायलट था जिसने उसको बैकऑन किया था, जिसने उसे इशारा किया था उसको फॉलो करने के लिए, और उसी को फॉलो करते हुए वो वहां पर सेफली लैंड किया था. सो द मैटर ऑफ सरप्राइज एंड मिस्ट्री वाज दैट हु हेल्प्ड हिम. अब उसके सामने एक ये क्वेश्चन आता है कि फिर अगर कोई भी प्लेन उस रात नहीं उड़ रहा था तो फिर उसकी मदद किसने की, कौन उसे वहां तक सेफली लेकर आया. इट वॉज अ मिस्ट्री फॉर हिम, एंड द स्टोरी एंड्स विद दिस मिस्ट्री. इट मीन्स हियर Frederick Forsyth has shared his personal experience and he has narrated that personal account. Okay, so now I will ask some question. You will answer it in the comment box. Okay, so you all have note down that main points. Now you will note down these important questions, which is very important for board exam also. There are 4 questions. You will note down these questions and write their answers in comment box. If there will be any query, you can drop your query also in the comment box. Next chapter we will discuss in the next video. Till then, enjoy your learning. Have a good day. Thank you.